Good morning and welcome to the Shed, the Centre for Research and Development in Australia. Now, this morning we're very excited about to be able to release an improvement to an iconic product as the iPhone. Now, as you might be aware, lately in the media there has been some problems reported with the iPhone's reception, especially the iPhone 4. Now, Australia, the iPhone 4 has not been released in Australia as yet. So our testing and our improvements focused on the iPhone 3 or the iPhone before the iPhone 4. Now, this is an excellent product. We at the Shed really thought that there's nothing much wrong with it, but we could improve on the reception. Now, the reception on this phone is exceptional, but as it comes as that, our improvement will also work for the iPhone 4, which might be interested to a lot of people out there. Now, the way the problem comes across with the iPhone 4 is the way people hold the phone and impede on the reception. Now, the way for Apple to fix this problem is to give everyone a free cover, which is very nice. We at the Shed thought we can do a lot better than that. We went out there, designed, redeveloped, and come up with an improvement that gives us probably an improvement for about 200% coverage, which is very important, especially for Australia. Like country Australia, we've got such vast distances to cover. Come and see. Good morning. As you can see here, we at the Shed, we had a thought about that antenna problem with the iPhone. The cover that's provided by Apple is very good, but we thought we could improve on that. The iTenna. We've tested and we found up to 200% improvement in the coverage with the iTenna. The iTenna is definitely a must-have for any Apple fan.